Today, we're back with a new pocket tool that we call the EDC Wrench.
We found a full-size, antique Swedish adjustable wrench and instantly knew we wanted to create a pocket-friendly version that would be more practical, comfortable, and convenient to carry every day.
Despite its smaller size, it still maintains a proper full-size grip for tougher tasks. It's made from solid graphite titanium and has a sturdy deep carry titanium pocket clip, so it has a similar pocket profile as a pocket knife.
Adjusting the tool to fit on bolts is very intuitive and utilizes a time-tested design, ensuring you always have a firm grip on the bolt. This pocket wrench works well in various on-the-go situations and is built to last a lifetime.
The Adamas family of knives, designed by Shane Seibert, has been very popular for Benchmade, and they gained a reputation of being tanks. Just indestructible, hard-use folders. And so we wanted to stay true to the original design, but upgrade it both in some styling and in a materials standpoint. There's a lot of popularity in the military with these. They can put it through any abuse and rely on it. In the automatic, we're retaining the desert tan colorway, but we've lightened the blade. We've also added a completely new colorway to the family, and this is an ODG10 and Flat Earth Cerakote. This gives us a very earth tone colorway for this family. And then lastly, we've always had a black version, but now we're tungsten gray Cerakote, black G10, again cutting down a little bit on the high contrast jet black. This particular Cerakote has a slight texture to it, so it's a little bit more matte and less reflectivity. Other things that we've done across the entirety of the family is upgrade the blade steel. New this year for the Adamas family, we are introducing CPM crew wear. We've also added a new extension, so we've always had the manuals and the autos, and now we've added a mini version of the manual in the 273. One thing that everybody knows and loves about the Adamas is their large knives. We wanted something that was a little bit more EDC friendly. It's still a full-size knife, fills the hand very well, but isn't quite as big and bulky as the full-size knife. The redesigned Adamas family, definitely a great extension on what was a very popular family.
This is the Lockdown from Gerber. If it takes up space in your pocket, it better do more than cut. The Lockdown has the ideal EDC formula: low profile, modern aesthetics, and solution-driven tools. It starts with a 2.5-inch plain edge blade with liner lock. You also get a replaceable number 11 utility blade and a file with a chisel edge. The Lockdown is offered in 2 different tool packs, Drive and Pry. The Lockdown Drive includes a driver with a double-sided 1/4-inch bit and an awl. The Lockdown Pry features a multifunctional cast pry bar with a bottle opener, large and small flathead drivers, and a nail puller. You also get a spring-loaded scissor. Whatever comes up on the trail or in town, you're a pocket away from solving it with the Lockdown.
This is the Onyx EDC by Outdoor Edge, the sharpest, strongest replaceable blade knife available, with razor-sharp stainless steel blades supported by a rigid black oxide-coated blade holder. This patented blade change system provides the strength of a traditional knife and the razor sharpness of a surgeon's scalpel. Changing blades is both safe and easy. Simply press the blade release button to remove and insert a shaving sharp new one. Replacement blades come vacuum sealed, and additional blade packs are sold separately. The ergonomic polymer handle ensures a secure non-slip grip at all times. The knife features an integrated pocket clip with dual thumb studs for easy one-hand opening and a reliable lockback design. The Onyx EDC comes complete with 3 replacement blades and available in 2 sizes. Never sharpen your knife again.
If you enjoyed our video, don't forget to hit the like button below. And if you want to see similar videos in the future, smash that subscribe button and make sure to turn the notification bell on. For now, that's all I've got. And in all that you do, we want to help you beat yesterday.